guys and welcome to the channel. Now today's video is going to be about this S1 Pro, and before we begin, a big shout out to JALIYAN Telecom for providing the phone. The details are in description and the offers are on the screen. Make sure you check the store details out, and if you haven't really followed me on the social media, please follow me on there, because you can see on the screen right now I uploaded some important notice and updates, and the channel is now changed. The new name for the channel is BTech Official. Make sure the name is currently on the screen. Don't follow it with the caps. It is all letters are in small. So right now let's unbox. So here is the Vivo S1 Pro. I've got the 8GB 128GB variant right now with me. Obviously the first box will be of the case as well as the SIM tray. Okay, that's actually a different way to put out the documents. Oh, actually there is a wire over here. So this is the charging wire, and yes, so I guessed it correct, it is the C-type cable. So let's keep that aside, and a document over here. Let's see what document is. So this also case, so let's discover it later, and let's first see the documents. So the documents, it is a usual details of the product, the camera details and all. The SAR value is quite important. You should give a read to it. Let's keep that aside and check the case. And also, yeah, before we check that out, the SIM tray ejection tool. So that's it, keep that aside, and we have the case right now over here with us. It is the usual soft case, but the problem with these cases are, even though they have a good quality, they turn out to get yellow over the time. So let's keep that aside, and now let's get the main thing out. That is the main Vivo S1 Pro. So you can see this is a new one, exactly, like the seal hasn't been even opened. So let me open the seal and I'll show you how it looks after removing this seal. So let me go ahead, and bam, the seal is removed. This is how the phone looks. Pretty amazing. The camera is quite good. Vivo's the marketing that has been done on the phone looks quite similar to the Oppo Reno style, and the camera was similar to the OnePlus 7T. The front looks amazing, and let's keep that aside, we'll check that out later. These are the other things in the box. Obviously a charger. It follows like a Samsung because it gives the on the right side, not on the head. It is a 5-watt charger, so not the best fastest charger, just a normal charger. Let's keep that back. And yeah, these are the earphones you get with the Vivo. So obviously you'll be getting a 3.5mm jack, but also these are kind of similar to those iPhone style earbuds. So kind of copied. So this is the phone, how it looks. The design looks quite good, similar to Oppo, being maybe because these all are just sibling companies. The camera, I'm because of the design, I'm very sure that the camera does pretty good job, and we tested it out first because I was pretty much excited with the camera. Now the rear camera comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, then a 2 megapixel for depth and a 2 megapixel for telephoto, and the front camera comes for 32 megapixels. So the camera, I was quite amazed because we took couple of sample shots and they were amazing. You can see right now over here, and also it comes with a super macro mode. You can see right now on the screen, this is the picture. So ultra wide angle and everything performs quite good. Now we test out the in-display fingerprint sensor. They are quite fast, let me tell you. The face recognition as well does a quick job. So obviously they don't let you stay late with your tasks and all. And since the phone is doing quite good with all these things, let me see what it runs on. So obviously the Fun Touch OS Android version comes with a 9, Snapdragon comes with 665. Not the best one in the market, but the best one in the budget. Now the Android version, right now you get it as 9 as a Pi, but obviously it was, since it has been launched recently, so it will be upgradable to 10. And the 8GB RAM and 128GB variant does a pretty good job. Obviously you get a different OS, as similar to those OnePlus and everything, like a UI different. So you get the FunTouch OS version 9.2. This also comes with latest updates. Every time you get updates on these as well, so that does a pretty good job. Now the main thing, that is the design on the phone. Let me tell you, the screen ratio is quite good. The bezels are very small, very edgy. There is a chin at the bottom, but really, let me tell you, with this phone in the hand, you don't really give a thought about it. On the right side, when I checked, I found out the volume rocker button as well as the power button are on the right side. Yeah, the red power button does give, like does catch your eye, but obviously, like power button similar, kind of copied from other phones. At the bottom, it lives with a single speaker grill, the C type charging spot, as well as the microphone. That means if there is no charge, no 3.5 mm jack at the bottom, it might be at the top. Let's see what is on the left. It was kind of a plain, just a sim tray tool, kind of simple basic design, and 3.5 mm jack and the microphone are having a good party. So this was my quick review on the phone. Make sure if you like this video, please hit a like button, please share it to your friends, and if you are new, please subscribe. Let's grow the community more, and please follow me on social media.